the fineness modulus of a given quantity of aggregate is 8.2. The average size of aggregate varies from. Okay, and the options are 4.75 to 10 mm, 10 to 20 mm, 20 to 40 mm, and 40 to 80 mm. We know that the fineness modulus defines the coarseness or fineness of an aggregate. We need to conduct sieve analysis to find out the fineness modulus of a sample. Okay, then fineness modulus can be calculated as the cumulative sum of cumulative percentage of aggregates retained on each sieve, cumulative percentage of aggregates retained on each sieve divided by 100. Okay. For conducting sieve analysis, we are using sieves from size 80 mm to 150 microns. Okay. And our fineness modulus lies in the range of 8.2. Okay. 8.2 fineness modulus means the aggregate is coarse aggregate. Okay. The aggregate is coarse aggregate, and for that we are using size ranges from 80 mm to 150 micron. Okay, for this question, if we write the sieves using in the test of sieve analysis, they are 80 mm, 40 mm, 20 mm, 10 mm, 4.75 mm, 2.36 mm, 1.18 mm, 600 microns, 300 microns, and 150 microns. Okay, just put numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In question, they are asking fineness modulus 8.2. 8.2 comes between these 8 and 9, right? Then the size of aggregates varies from 20 to 40. Then our answer is option C, 20 to 40 mm.